The third one that we have developed very recently, because we believe unless we democratize the technology, that would never be successful. And this is especially from our experience of fleet operations, right? Where if I have got to drive beyond certain range, I'm anxious because I'm not sure whether there is a charger available. Right. So that's where we have developed something called Har Ghar Thunder, and also called Charger Lagao Paisa Kamao. Now what does it mean? You have many, I would say, STD booth kind of setups, or you have many, I would say, hotels, medical shops, etc. So talking to all of them, 3.3 kilowatt is a load which is generally available other than the sanction and the contract and the demand load. I mean, you don't need again special permissions from the SPDCS and then the NETCOs and the NETCAP, etc. So what we do is more like a pole-mounted telephone, right? The coin box. I'm sure you're all aware. So what we do is we go to each of these locations and then we set up these 3.3 kilowatt pole-mounted charging stations, and we populate these in the Google, in the, I would say, apps of the last mile deliveries, in the apps of Amazon, BigBasket, Flipkart, so that they gain confidence that wherever they go, they see a charger working condition rightly available. Right? That's how we are removing the anxiety. Second thing, what happens is, now these chargers cost less than $100. So for a small time business, right, a passive income generation of 7 to 8,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees per month, without necessarily monitoring that, having a manpower there, but just allow that particular charger to work by itself and generate revenue, is again an additional revenue opportunity.